just imagine say you rabomia na okodi abeye tu odi ya anka wo beti se kene your friend say kene for yata ai papa na otimi bu nyankopon no 58 million no anka na asem anka mada sika se me who documents ni bia na me yam hye me MPP sika nkomo di anka bi mada
ya nukura egu ya fem efe mi tira ma bokosem nientia president Kufuor ya didn't call second term ni say the first time or the only 4 months between 3 to 4 months and what the year campaign na vote to president Kufuor nya within that 4 months no and yes and no e be sa de nako.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, hi, Xposed GH. I try to be am the jacket say ma. If I'm members, subscribe. Me the two man now Zaka. Kennedy Agyapong, the next incoming president of the Republic of Ghana. I me den say me who are the intimate can be America. I say hey, mamu nya kwasi ade o. Mamu nya kwasi ade. Send ya yera Tamils you choose on 3 times. Ah, say be obedi president. Na Kufuor so you choose on 3 times and obedi. Mamu nya mistake. What's about me and mo pa mo choose 20 times. Want me my president. Yenkoti Kennedy bra.
Ti the Islam one say this time around mo be madum na ebi ni mo ka say mame mamo abakosem kakra bi onim obi a odi MPP edi anim abra na Rollins ewo ha obi entimi nkasa eye Professor Dubuahin ono your friend culture of silence ono no otimi breaki that time obi entimi nkasa obi esro Rollins Dubuahin ene nya kukuduro estani up to Rollins till 1992 that Dubuahin koi ono kura no okokuma ye no okoya ni modern mo answer ni no ya mfuna nkobiem obi a mpeso aka no kura kire wa oduru wa ozio president Kufuor komienu Akufuor do komiansa Dubuahin wokosai mesramo enne bia ba ya ni afi mamo ma yentoto ensam a enya no kura egu ya fam efe mi tira ma bokosem nientia president Kufuor you didn't call second term ni say the first time or the only 4 months between 3 to 4 months and what the year campaign now vote to president Kufuor nya within that 4 months no and yes and no e be sa de nako enunti and the president Kufuor esa call second term oko wini ye there is a reason 4 months our year campaign the performance enunti ni esa de president Kufuor ekor ebiem oh ana Akufuor do comprensa Akufuor do call first one onya 49.3% when timi an cross 50 enunti ana esa call second round enunso epai e 10 and decide here Emma Professor Mills enya 23,000 votes Edibaye president. Into a bia person or cultural say, Yansa ma assume ko biemu a on starting kabakosam will be NTA. Akufuor do esa court 2012 no. What we need and when we are a court, Mamuti decision and was aka so dear. Meaning some we need but some see nyamina me respect court no into young court. Ya sure Akufuor do performance. The first time, second time, and I didn't call the third time. It is also a big performance. Now it will lose over 2 million. Now I say, Mufani Panenko. Now, my D, but I'm ready to one. No credit, you become mate. No credit, no dear, you become mate. Samu power. Ghana for say, Mudi Agyapong bar, you bet to a mammo. Most are going to your 9th young or tribute. Are you ready for that? Are you ready for that? Are you ready for that? Mama yentie nia efomfo ka. Mama yentie nia Ghana fo ka. Asori dan ya muwamu, wo mu kasai. E ka uchi. Asori dan ya muwamu, wo mu kura wo ma batuo no, e kire so wo mu kasai. E bi so wo mu kae no, mo antie. I was say mo antie a, mo baji mu jejereje. Any aji jejereje. Oh, campaign, ebeye de papa. Campaign ya koye enya tem didie ya pakuru ya bada
I Kennedy no kasa no I okopreko I wono wo kasa no kan boom. To be frank with you, let me dissect this topic a bit. Hwe Bahomia mom die were a fine gentleman. But for presidency, no. Never. My two instances. First of all, are you too liberal to be a president of Ghana? Hey, Ghana waho. Enkofo matimi edi Ghana so edi Ghana yi waho. Omo ye sly. Ye kasa sly a. Obefo say na ni nye do boa. O kasa ontie. Mimu bodi nchira mo. Ai di ewuo yefkofo, di ewuo. Ai wo ye nya hu nani a sign sexy man ba boa. Asem no kind no wa fa na dwu ntim da. Ni obeka se obeye ne no obeye. Another person yewura atamo so awanya ba bi ko was wo boa me ni ameka se meye ono ana meye. And even the current president of Ghana, hey, don't mistake Dramani Mahama as weak person. I beg you. No. He's a very firm leader. O cross on the path ade o de beye ono osanka. Bawomia is somehow obi a friend or a scholar. Onim the dynamics of the Ghanaian politics. Because her Ghanaian politics no, o pese wo di Ghana ya. E se wo obi a bibia mfa ho sa no. E se wo obi a sebe adwen no ai se na ye che kakra no. Adwen ni straight out me di Ghana for so. Because Ghana for say adwen bodam. What you say? Number 2, ayese Bawomia no ni animbia no nim na book mu. Book mu. What be to me by now by vice president we head of economic management team. Now what me ma city e ko do 17 cities there na book knowledge na nim. Enya practical knowledge. Ghana baby ayedu no yen practical knowledge. Another point too is that people think say or a poodle of Akufo-Addo. You can so be a poodle. It means say why say remote control. Baby Akufo-Addo nimbe hono beko. It Ghanaians don't even trust him. It would not see one for say ye to abandonma ye Rabomia ye to Akufo-Addo. Just imagine say ye Rabomia na okodi abeye to odi ya. Anka wo beti say can your friend say can oforiata. Ai papa na otimi bu Nyankopon no 58 million no anka na asem anka mada sika se me hu documents ni bia na me yam hye me MPP sika komo di anka bi mada anka bi ma out anka sabe special prosecutor ankonya anopo no akasa enu ti no ye change government no eye me de eye ana no matu baby na Ghana ye kono na ahokire no eye dooso. Na mimi de na minim say yewura your friend is Bawomia only clue as to how to turn Ghana around. And today passe no Ghanaians were willing to let him go. Another factor me feel say Charlie Enko Emwa Bawomia say even the Muslims themselves even voted against Bawomia. One go for no, they voted against him because they don't see him as a true Muslim. One must see nipa bako, wutimi kwa mosque, wutimi kwa shrine, wutimi kwa church. Who are you? Wutimi kwa miensa ni nyina ye twa odwan na why say ye twa kokwa ye kasi asore no asore. And people don't on one case any identity is lost. Now, let's bring somebody like Agyapong, a very firm, hard man. He may have his flaws, but mechanic attributes. He can be a firm man. It means say or believing in what he is doing. Or you'll be a no-nonsense person. It means say, Omo mabesha na se no, wo share na se nyina no, What's your nasia? Who himself we run for your. That's the kind of leader that we need. The third factor, and say, or your practical man, or your self-made man, or be a sepe, or no one can say I business, no one to me across there. It means that on him send ya Bob Brano, and your book dear. And so what the way to do who are, maybe dear, a coming qua, and can obey say MPP representing the 2028 should be here Canada Japan. I'm new no represented by me, first time I'm 36, waiting I'm coming 24. Enyanka ebo na nka beye total ebo because ye rabamia niam be crash say okeka no mate say even the support of Ekufuado kra no Ekufuado yi ni support because until papa na say papa no wo na wo kwai na mo na mo foi na mo say Ghana afa wo say menka ho what is happening. He sounds like a confused person but ye work in Japan upright and firm into me wom dey kai and able to mark in Japan but me enyam na vote too. I Xposed GH. Fan member subscribe share me to man Emmanuel.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.